Stay ahead of the curve with these 5 invaluable cybersecurity tips. Engage in cybersecurity communities and forums. Participating actively in cybersecurity communities and forums is an excellent way to remain updated on the latest trends and best practices in the industry. These platforms offer opportunities to learn from fellow professionals, ask questions, and gain valuable insights to enhance your cybersecurity strategies. Follow esteemed thought leaders and influencers. Keep a close watch on thought leaders and influencers within the cybersecurity field. By following these experts, you can acquire insightful knowledge and understanding to refine your cybersecurity strategies. These seasoned professionals are willing to share their extensive experience, insights, and best practices, aiding you in bolstering your security approach. Streamline news gathering with Feedly curation. Simplify your cybersecurity news consumption through Feedly, a powerful news aggregator. With Feedly, you can compile and organize your preferred websites, blogs, and publications in one convenient location. This consolidation eliminates the need to hop across multiple sites, ensuring you stay informed about the latest cybersecurity developments, regardless of the language, topics, products, or companies involved. Activate Google Alerts. Harness the capabilities of Google Alerts to stay informed about captivating cybersecurity-related content. Google Alerts swiftly notifies you via email whenever fresh material relating to your chosen search terms is published online. Tailor your search terms to encompass keywords like ransomware, ransomware attack, or ransomware prevention to stay updated on this subject. Adjust and fine-tune your alerts by modifying your search terms, sources, or notification frequency to ensure you receive only the most pertinent information. Continuously enhance skills and certifications. Regularly upgrading your skills and certifications is imperative within the ever-evolving realm of cybersecurity. The industry is in a constant state of flux, presenting new threats and technologies consistently. To stay adept, numerous online courses and training programs are accessible. Platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning offer a vast array of cybersecurity courses and certifications to help you remain up to date and proficient in your field.